Hi, welcome to the channel and thanks for watching this video. If you've clicked on it, it's no doubt because you too are looking for a sunshade for your Tesla. In my instance, it's a Tesla Model Y that I've got, and I did notice that it was getting extremely hot on a sunny day, so I wanted to be able to minimise that as much as possible while still utilising the functions that are available in the car, such as the cabin overheat protection, and also just being able to manually go in and precondition the car to the temperature that I desire. But I thought, for the sake of £20, as you can see on the screen, I got mine from Amazon, got 5% off, so ended up working out £19, no delivery charge because I've got Amazon Prime. But this seemed to have very good reviews, so I thought I'd just put a little video together so you can see how easy it was, straight out of the bag, first time experience of having to use this, and also me packing it away. So as you can see, it's relatively simple in its construction. It's got this reflective outer layer which faces the glass, and then the black side faces the car, as will be explained as I sort of had to piece that together and work that out as I was installing it, having not really read the instructions. And then the inside is just this high quality black fabric, or so they say. And then it just had another little point to make, that I assume 99% sun protection, although you do get some minor gaps, as I found once it had been installed, but for the most part it does a very good job of covering up the whole windscreen. So you can now watch the video and see how I got along with setting it up for the first time. So it looks like the blinds come in a nice case. It's just got a little Velcro tag on it, and then they're almost like a pop-up tent from what I saw online. So sorry about that. So that's that opened halfway. Now, I've never done this before, so I don't know whether that's going to be pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to go silver side because obviously I would expect that to be reflecting the heat. And it looks like there's a little tab there. That's what goes round the rearview mirror to hold that in place. Now, one thing I did notice online is people said that these don't stay in place unless you lower your sun visors, so there's no clips or anything like that. So that's essential for it to stay up, that the sun visors are lowered. Now already I can feel that there's not as much solar gain coming through the glass, because having a glass roof, glass windscreen, the rear windscreen and the side and the roof are obviously heavily tinted, but the roof does get extremely hot. Now I'm putting my hand on my hands here, but on the glass roof, that is too hot to touch. It is extremely hot. So in terms of what this is going to do by way of reducing the ambient temperature in the cabin when the car's not being used, I think will be significant, and I'm actually quite impressed with that. Yes, you have to have the sun visors down to keep it in place. These are magnetic on the Teslas. I've just pushed that one forward slightly. I should probably do the same with this. So that, to me, if I was forward facing and the sun was hitting the front of the car, then I think that this is going to make a noticeable difference. I probably am going to buy the ones for the roof. I'm going to go for the grey type rather than the black type, because apparently it matches very well with the colour of the interior trim. I think they're about £54 currently on Amazon. You get a 5% discount, which just knocks a little bit off. These were £19.99 with a 5% discount, so I ended up paying £19. But in terms of, that's not going to come down because of the visors. Obviously I'm not going to be doing this on a daily basis. It will purely be if I know that the car's going to be sitting there for a while, or if we're out for the day at a park or whatever it might be. But for less than £20, I definitely think this is a worthwhile purchase. Unfortunately, I had a little problem with the video clip of me collapsing the sunshade. However, I did manage to do it first time. It's basically just a case of folding it up in half and then twisting it, and it eventually folds down into the same size as the bag. Went back in after doing that, slipped it under the chair, and it was really good. I'm very impressed with the product and look forward to seeing the benefits over the coming summer months. So if you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing to help support the channel, and there'll be more reviews to come. Thank you.